An effective team management system is essential for any business to succeed. Teams that are well managed and working productively together lead to greater success, efficiency, and a better work environment overall. Yet over 70% of the people admit to having a bad immediate supervisor. So the real question then becomes, if effective team management is such a critical component to business success, why do we still have so many poor leadership and people management systems? These statistics go for hospitals as well. As a nurse, I sometimes ask the staff the same question and they admit to having bad supervisors. But when I ask if they have bad doctors or surgeons, the answer changes. In the case of hospitals and airlines, we know why it's dangerous to employ bad surgeons and pilots. But what about in business? When teams lack that direction, it can lead to a host of problems for businesses, such as broken communication between the members, low morale, a lack of productivity and motivation from the team, and then that makes conflict among members or divisive leadership styles. Poor team management not only leads to financial losses but affects employees' well-being. Ultimately, low input equals low output, which impacts the company's bottom line. And speaking of low input, one of the trending workplace issues right now is quiet quitting. That's one pitfall every business leader should urgently address. I was looking at Gallup's study and it sheds some light on what companies need to know about this trend. At least half of the U.S. workforce is quietly quitting. Then the workplace amid the pandemic got worse for younger workers, and managers are essential to combating quiet quitting. The top reasons for quiet quitting, according to studies, include a lack of recognition, negative workplace culture, work overload, and burnout. So, what's the solution for a business? To evaluate and identify gaps in management loopholes in your team. Now, of course, this varies by company, but here are some areas affecting most teams. Work expectations. Assess whether the individual members have a clear understanding of work expectations, and if they have all the necessary resources to succeed. This could be something as simple as providing feedback on their performance every so often. Engagement. Assess every engagement level. You want your team to be engaged with the company, with their work, their teammates, and their immediate supervisors. Having meaningful conversations with each team member once a week, maybe it's 15 minutes, it's just a better habit for successful managers to judge engagement. And management protocols. Finally, assess management systems in place. Do they allow everyone from managers all the way down to understand each other's goals clearly while you're also creating an atmosphere of safe collaboration? These systems involve how you collaborate, and they also measure individual accountability and work. You can catch more on communication, collaboration, and technologies in our coaching program, Call to Action, where we break down for you how to develop a management system, plus you will have access to the Falera CRM that makes tracking what each team member is working on in the customer front very easy.